Hello friends. In this video, I will show you how to create this awesome loading bar right inside the Premiere Pro, without any extra plugins. It's all about only Premiere Pro. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video right away. So when you are inside the Adobe Premiere Pro, we have a sequence created. We'll begin by creating a colored background. So we will go down to a new item. Click Black Video. Then press OK. And simply drag this to video layer 1. Now just extend the duration of this video to around 10 seconds. Now let's go to the effects. Search for tint effect. Now just drag and drop the tint effect to black video. Now go to effects control and go to matte black 2. Just select the black box near to pen tool. And you can select any color of your choice. So let's select blue for reference. Or just change it to green so that we can use it anywhere using chroma key, and that will be easy to use later. So it's done. Now let's go ahead and we will create a bar. We need a bar in which animation is going to happen for us. So now let's go to File, New Legacy Title. Press OK on Legacy Title Windows. And on the left side of this Legacy Title window, we have got Shapes. And I am going to select this rectangle tool. And let's draw a rectangle roughly in the middle of the Legacy Title. So now you can see this is filled in with color. We don't need this as we need the animation to play inside this rectangle bar. Now, let's move over to the right. Deselect Fill. And then go to Strokes. Select Outer Strokes. Select the Add button. As you can see, the outer strokes are added to the box we have created. Now let's change the color to white. And let's increase the size of this rectangle. And this looks nice. Now, let's make it in the center by clicking on the left side. Here we have the option to make it center. Now exit these windows and go to Projects. And just drag the title to video layer 2. Now it's time to create the animation inside the bar we have created. Let's go to a new item. Black Video. OK. Let's move Title 1 to video layer 3. Drag the black video to video layer 2. And now extend this to the end of the video. Now we have to crop this black video so that it will fit inside the bar we have created in the legacy title. Now select the black video. Go to the effects panel. Click opacity. We have 3 options here. Ellipse mask, 4-point polygon mask, and free draw Bezier. The choice is yours. You can use 4-point polygon mask and free draw Bezier. We are going to use free draw Bezier. Just mask by making 4 points in the corner of the bar we have created. It's done for now. So now just create a mask path 1 at the end of the video. Just come at the beginning and select mask 1. Just pull them to the left. Now we have 2 keyframes. Now you can see that filling in slowly. And this looks nice. Now if you wish to change the color of this bar inside, you need to go to Effects. Just search for the tint again if not selected. Drop tint effect on this black video. Go to Make Black 2. Select the color of your choice. I will select red for reference. Now you can see the red loading bar inside this bar. Now if you will zoom in, you can see the edge is looking very soft. Now just go to the effects control option. Click Mask Feather and drop this down to 0. It will make the edge looks harder. Now we need to make some lines or some gaps into this red bar so that it will look like percentage count. So now let's go to Effects and search for Blinds. Under Video Effects, you can see Venetian Blinds Effects. Click and just drag this to black video. And now let's move into the Effects Control panel. Click Transition Completion. Now if you just move it to 100%, you can see the bar disappears. So we will keep it at 30%. Now just go down and play with width. And you can select it as per your choice. Now if we will play this, you can see the loading bar completion. This is fine as of now. Now let's add something extra to this animation. We'll add a percentage and a loading text below this animation. Just go to Files, New, Legacy Title, and click OK. Now just type anywhere, onto the screen. And write loading. Now you can change the color, fonts and size. According to your choice, just the way you like it. Now just close this window. Go back to Projects, and drag this title to above all on video layer 5 or 6, whatever you have. Now just drag this title till the end of the video. Let's play the video. This looks nice, but it will be better if we add some blinking effect to the loading text below. Just go to the beginning of the video. Now go to opacity, and make some keyframes. Create keyframes every 5 frames like 0, then 5 frames forward and make it 100, then 5 frames forward and make it 0. And just like that. What will happen here, loading text will start blinking, but make sure you create 3 to 4 keyframes. And then copy it and paste it every 2 to 3 seconds afterward, till the end of this video. So we are done with this effect. You can do this better, just give it a try. So now as you can see, loading text is blinking. What we are going to do next is, we'll place a percentage and numbering starting from 0 to 100. So that it will be like loading from 0 to 100%. Now, just go to a new item, click black video. Press OK, and place this top of everything on the video layer. Now drag this till the end of the video. Now just go to Effects, and search for Timecode Effect. Under Video Effects, you can see the Timecode Effect, click and drag this to the black video we have just created. Now, it's done. Go to Effects Control, and here we need to make some changes in the Timecode Effect. First change the format to frames from SMT, then click on the time source code and change it to clip. Now if you can play this video, you can see the number starting from 0 and goes all the way to 600. But we need only from 0 to 100. Now, we need to remove this symbol from the video, simply uncheck the field symbol. And see, it's gone. So, now we need to drag the timeline from 0 and take it up to 101, and use C command or razor tool. And remove the rest part from the video. Now just right-click on the black video, and nest this. Click OK. Now, right-click again and go to Speed and Duration, and make this nest for 10 seconds. Now, if you play this video, you can see the numbers from 0 to 110 seconds. Now, go to the Effects Control panel, under Opacity. You can see Blend Mode. Just click and select the Blend Mode to screen. And, you can see all the black portion is gone. Only you can see the numbers. Now just place it above the bar. Now, we need to add a percentage in front of the numbers. So, go to Files. Legacy Title. Press OK. Simply type a percentage symbol anywhere on the screen. Close this window and go back to Projects. Drag this title on top of everything. Now just zoom in, and align this percentage symbol alongside the numbers. If you think any color difference between the numbers and the percentage symbol, simply double-click the title and it will take you to the Legacy Title window. On the right side, you can see the Pen tool. Click on the Pen tool and then click on the numbers, so that they will match the color of the numbers. If there is any difference, it will be sorted out. And both look similar. So, finally, it's done. Now just play the video from starting. And here you can see the cool animation inside the bar with percentage icon and loading text. As you can see, we have used green color in the background. You can use it anywhere, by using the chroma key effect. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to hit subscribe button. And do press the bell icon as well. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you at the next one. Bye bye.